This is Chris O from the Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia. That there, with that laser level, that is my height. So I transfer that mark, that is the height of that floor. So that's how much mud. See the bottom of that tile? That is the height of my mud. I've got to come up slightly there. So what I'll be doing is laying the tile like that, and then I must silicone along the edge of that tile to get a bond to that plastic, which is easy. It's not quite high enough, but there's nothing else out there that I know of with a bigger, oh well, there is a bigger piece of this. It's actually flashing plastic, but I didn't bring it. I'm only a couple of mil out, so I will silicone along that edge to waterproof it. My tile is going to be, this is up a little bit, and my tile is going to be like that. I hope you can see that, and it's going to be going from there to nothing, to that point there. So it's going to be sloping down. This slopes down to there. So my drain will actually be, I hope you can see that, I'll be giving it a good sort of 10 or 12 mil fall. It'll be falling down to there, from that wall down to there. This is going to be sloping and mitered to that corner, which will look cool. You can't just bring it down. That looks terrible when you've got it, because there's no way of making that edge nice. If you are conscientious of doing a good job DIYs, you must never be able to see that edge. It's always got to be up there like that, a nice slope. So then your glass, the glass will be stopping at about there, and they walk straight into their shower and start showering. No water will ever get out there. Okay, I'll see you soon as I'm starting to fill it up. Then I'll be waterproofing tomorrow on top of my screed. See you soon. Bye.